The WBCA Stars and Stripes Air Show Spectacular, sponsored by CPL Retail Energy, a direct energy company.
Of course, on behalf of WBCA, welcome to our air show sponsored by CPL. We are very fortunate to have an air show of this caliber in Laredo, and it would not be possible without the support of our title sponsors, CPL Retail Energy, a direct energy company, as well as our other event sponsors, Miller Lite, Falcon International Bank, and of course Mr. Rod Lewis for bringing some of the incredible aircraft from Lewis Air Legends Collection. Let's give them all a round of applause, please. The poster was painted by Lamar Gallagher, and it is entitled Great Memories. And so we hope you enjoy the commemorative poster.
First, I want to say thank you very much for coming to the Stars and Stripes Air Show. Second, on behalf of CPL, I want to welcome everybody and say how proud we are for this to be our third year to sponsor the air show. We at CPL are committed to our customers and to celebrating the wonderful events like this in Laredo that our customers wish to be at. So on behalf of CPL, have a great air show. Thank you.
Thanks to the WBCA and especially to my Air Show Association friends. Thanks for being here.
You got it. Whoa. We got you're gonna control your up and down. Okay, on your rudder. Your rudder control the left and right of your nose. I need you to make small movements. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, this is none other than Mr. Kyle Frank.
The WBCA Stars and Stripes Air Show Spectacular, sponsored by CPL Retail Energy, a direct energy company.